Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change iPhone color back to normal. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Scroll down the accessibility page, click on display and text size. Under display and text size, scroll down, locate and click on color filters. Once you click on that, then locate color filters and then disable it. Once you disable color filter, you should see your iPhone color return back to normal, like this. You see that? And then you're good. If you are using iOS 18, you can just press and hold the home screen as well. Click on edit at the top left, click on customize, and then if you have tinted turned on like this here, you can just press the home screen again, click on edit, customize, and then choose light or dark mode. But to return back to the normal screen, just select light and then click outside. That's it. So that is exactly how to change iPhone color back to normal. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.